spare bedroom, big long bedroom for Aubrey. Over here to here, here, this big long, and it's going to be a room. It's pretty much set in stone. This is what they got to come straight up for all the rest of the house. Room right here. Big, huge bedroom. Can't have another bath down here, just one. No way to do another toilet. That's the only one for a toilet. These are coming from the other, these two are coming from above. That drain pipe's catching things from above, draining down. That one's from above. This is the only one that can be used as a toilet down here. Big old bathroom in here if we want. Master bedroom. Windows up there. Windows down there. Nice big kitchen from there over to here. And a wall's going to be here, but guess what? He said you can have a wall that'll have a beam on top and it'll be open into the living room. All the whole area, whole kitchen, dining room can all be open.